Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, I have been on the go from 7:15 this morning. Go, 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 shawty. Today is a super busy day for me. I have so much to get done. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Today I have a little curveball in my day which I wasn't expecting. Cantina Tyler School is not open today, so I have to go pick up Tyler at 11:20 so that he can come home and have lunch and go back to school by 1:30. So I had to adjust all my routine this morning. So that's what just navigating through. I am here making lunch right now for him. I'm gonna make some pasta and cordon bleu and just give Sarah the same thing. So I have to go pick up Tyler in approximately like an hour and a half. So I'm just preparing lunch while I'm preparing my breakfast. And I'm just gonna cook some extra pasta while I'm at it so you can have some for dinner. Or well, since that I already put the extra pasta in, whatever I decide to put, the pasta either go in the fridge for next day or whatever the case is. But I'm cooking pasta right now, and then I'm gonna throw his cordon bleu and Sarah cordon bleu in the air fryer. And in the meantime, I am making myself an avocado toast for breakfast. So I'm just dropping the eggs in the oil right now. How are you guys doing though? Hopefully you guys are doing good. Sarah is here watching TV. Baby's off to work, off to the office. And I'm just here trying to get as much done. I just finished doing my workout, so you guys may or may not see that. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you're watching, I'm very much thankful to you guys, and I know you guys will subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Continue to help us growing, and we thank each and every one of you who come back each and every day to watch a vlog. Even if you don't get a notification, you know to go to the channel every day because a video is there Monday to Friday. Love and appreciate every single one of you. And you guys better stay tuned, because when I tell you that this summer is about to be lit, I mean this summer is about to be lit and turn up with adventures, okay? And I'm not even joking when I say that. We are going hard this summer on adventures, and you guys won't miss a beat because the camera will be rolling. Hopefully by this week, I can at least get my camera, fingers crossed, so the goodness of the quality will be back. And thank you guys for riding with me through the phone camera. You guys are absolutely amazing. Anyway, let me make you guys say hello to Sarah while I'm getting breakfast ready shortly. Here she is. Hi. Say hi. Say hello. Quack, quack. Ooh, quack, quack. Good job. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Good job. What's that? Heart. Good job. Yes, go ahead, read. Very good. And what is this? What is this? Heart. Good job. Yeah, read. She wants me to read it. Is she looking at me? Okay, let me read it. On the day you were born, it was love at first sight. We welcomed you, little one, and held you so tight. What is that? Elephant. Good job, Mama. It's gonna burn up if she stay here and read with you right now. This little girl and her books, my God. Because Sarah loves books so much, we have to have our books in every space that she goes in throughout the day. Because every turn she turns, she wants a book. This needs some water, girl. You guys, it is so hot. Oh my gosh. We have to go in the garage for all the fans. That's how hot it is right now. Hi, princess. Hi. Hopefully you guys are trying to stay as cool as you can. Stay wherever you are. Because this heat is turned up already, man. I tell you. This heat is lit. Anyway, guys, have a good day and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Who's home and having lunch?
No canteen today.
Say hello to the faves.
Hello.
And you're having a runny nose, right?
Yes.
All right, blow your nose and eat up. And look who is joining brother for lunch today and is happy. It's yummy, princess. Yummy? She's in our food world. Anyway, you guys, the mom duty is on right now. And back to school we go. After dinner, after lunch, I was about to say after dinner. After lunch, he rest a bit. And he's heading back to school. My gosh, I have to do this journey 4 times today. These two outside playing. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Tyler.
Hi,
Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. You're driving. Vroom, vroom.
I'm doing 4 times doing training because Thursday I'm doing 4 times school and I'm doing basket and the thing I need to learn the most is this thing.
The booming and catch. Oh, okay. So you're gonna stay outside and play a little bit more and then you're gonna come inside and do your homework, okay? I'll call you when it's time. I'm inside cleaning up the kitchen. Up and down. Here, up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Oh my god, let me tell you guys about an exhausting day that is today. You see my eyes? My eyes say tired. I feel like they're just gonna close. I literally just came back in from picking up Tyler from school and went to the post office. I had to rush to the post office to pick up a package that has been there for me for more than a week now. So, and I didn't know it was there. I was actually here waiting on the package, and I had to email the person and say, look, the package didn't come. Got the tracking number, and the person sent the package without a name on it, with just my address and my area code. So luckily I still got the package because my address and everything else is me, but there's just no name on the package. Anyway, you guys, the kids are outside playing. I just had some vegetable soup. Look at my plate. Just finished. I cooked also. So much happened. Yeah. I made some vegetable soup. I had some pasta for the kids, but they just wanted the soup and yogurt, so that's what the kids had. And I'm now gonna have to go and make some protein and something else, babe. Because I just fell for the soup. I feel so tired and so much going on in my head that I just feel for the soup. I just don't feel like eating, but I have to prepare something for babe. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go look after this kitchen, look after the rest of babe dinner, and yeah, so much getting done. A, B, C, D.
It's a tanky.
Yeah. So why you sound like that? Like you're in distress. All right, let's go. Tell them bye bye. Say bye bye. Sing baby shark toot 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 toot.
Baby shark.
Sing twinkle twinkle little star. You just want to touch everything. Come on. Let's go to bed. Why of all the things that you could think of, you had to think about that one thing? You could ask me if it was so many other things, but you choose to ask me if it's that one thing. Why?
Wagwan.
Why?
Wagwan.
Not Nagwan, I'm tired, I'm asleep.
Guys, I know it's late, but 1-0. 1 for France, 0 for Germany. Sorry, Germany. Sorry, Germany.
Sorry, not sorry. Who in Germany that we know?
Nobody.
Nobody. Sorry, nobody.
Nobody.
Sorry, nobody. Sorry, Mosh.
Next game, Hungary. I
When?
didn't say you hungry. I said Hungary.
I am actually hungry, to tell you the
Okay.
truth.
We're gonna eat the Hungary.
Are the hungry gonna eat you?
Oh!
They're hungry.
They're gonna
so how
swallow
about
us
that?
without even
How
mashing
about
us.
that?
A
Yeah.
3-0 for Hungary.
Y'all better bring some ketchup and some fried chicken on the field so they can go eat it and let you know just put all the goals in the
We're gonna
net.
jerk the Hungary.
Why, Jer?
Because you're a jerk woman. Anyway,
vlog.
guys, that's a good night. Just because France won, that's the good night. That's the news
And
of
here his
the
phone
day.
going, Your friend sending message.
No, I think it's the news just telling me we won. Anyway, guys, I hope you are all doing well. England have won the first game too, so I know we are a good amount in England.
If you guys have no idea what my husband is talking about, the European Championship in football is going on, so he's all in, okay?
Everybody knows that. She just said, like, if you guys, everybody knows
No,
that.
y'all don't know a thing. Y'all don't know nothing. You're probably clueless if I didn't say it because he think everybody know. No, y'all don't know. I know y'all don't know.
If you go outside, you
That
see
is outside.
outside.
Oh yeah, outside. And I only watch when France is playing. That's the only time I'm interested in the game.
Well, that was first game. So much remaining to play. Sorry, you doing well? You had a good
I
day?
am tired and I'm having
She's
a
tired,
headache.
she's
I had
having a
a
headache.
rough day.
I had a big headache too, but took tablet. Look like it's working.
Tablet not working for me today.
So man, that's gonna be a new week. That's gonna be a good week. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the vlog, you know what to do. You have to like, you have to turn on the notification bell, you have to catch up and to keep up with the family. And
You guys not getting a joke tonight in Ted.
you have to comment down below. And
So why you look like you're sleeping? You look worse tired than I am. It's true.
You look more tired than I am.
Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.